share with y'all an Etsy shop update. I've got these fabric, lace, applique, bling bundles in there, and I have 6 of them. And every one of them will come with a dangle. The dangles will vary because I only have so many pieces of the pieces that I put on. But they'll be handmade dangles and or charms. So here are 2 that you might possibly receive. Y'all have seen my dangles before. Y'all know what I do. I put them on a lot of package, and I think I even have a video showing me making them, but I'm not certain. But anyway, so this comes with you would get this strand of crystal dangle hearts, like little prism hearts. Hopefully you can kind of see the measurements on here. Did not do all of the measurements. I planned on doing a video, but they're all very, very similar. Well, not similar. They're all almost exact in every single package, down to the centimeter. Okay. And here, I've got this piece of lace, one of my favorites, but I have a lot of it, and so I thought that I would share some with y'all. Can y'all see that sparkle? With every circle there is a sequin, and I just love the meshiness of it and the flowy. It's long. You could cut it up into a bunch of pieces. Love it. Oh, just hit my camera stand because I'm having issues with my camera stand today. I've got to figure out something else. Okay, and then I have this piece, and y'all can see that there's ribbon running through every other place up there in the top. Pretty lace, and these rufflies have just little prints on them. It's so French to me, and it's pretty long too. Okay, I've got a few pieces here. Here I've just got a long strand of silver sparkly tulle. You could either, well, I mean, of course you could do whatever you want to, but I was thinking about tying a package with it, or using it as a tie on a journal, or even using it as some tuck pieces just to add a little bit of bling to some ephemera. And here I've got this fiber piece, and y'all have seen me use this a lot, so I thought that I would offer it. I tried to choose pieces that I personally rarely ever see, so that y'all would have some stuff that's pretty rare. This is some lace that I found in my trip to Boone, North Carolina, a couple months ago, and I found it along with some other lace, and I snatched it up. I snatched every single bit of it up to use on a project that I was working for a collab for Doreen that y'all haven't seen yet. And I had some left, so I thought that I would share it while still allowing me to have some that's still in there. All of these are wedding dress appliques, and you would receive at least 3 antique flower appliques of this variety. Here you have another little piece, but at least 3. And y'all can see from the color of the sequins that this is vintage. This also come off of that wedding dress. And the appliques that you see, they may be exactly like this or they may be really similar. But y'all will get 2 pieces from each wedding dress that look, like I said, exactly like this or almost exactly like this. I love, love, love that. This will always be one of my favorite wedding dresses, I do believe. Here we've got white with sequins and pearls. And then another one. And those are almost exactly the same. You can see, let's see, are these exactly the same? They are, but just turned differently. So the white ones that you receive are going to be like this. And then the cream ones will be something like this. Again, maybe this exactly or something extremely similar. But 2 good pieces of appliques from every wedding dress that I cut up. And I cut up 4 yesterday. I cut up 4 yesterday. And I'm offering this whole, that was folded, it's a whole sheet of gold sequins, because we cannot have enough of that, in my opinion. This is another wedding dress that I cut up, and it has those sequins that I just moved on. I cut up this wedding dress and decided to cut it in a sheet instead of trying to cut out the flowers, because that would be almost impossible for this one. But it is loaded with sequins and pearls as well, and I thought it would just make the prettiest journal cover. That's what I was thinking, and that's what I think that I'm going to do with what I have left for me. And then this I got, was it in the same trip? It was in the same trip to Boone, North Carolina, but I found this in Marion, North Carolina on our way back home. This big panel of fabric. It's big. I can't fit it all on the screen. It's approximately 1.5 feet by 2.5 feet. That's how I cut it. But I just did want to show y'all the details. And again, every sheet varies because not everything is on this sheet, but it's very, very Paris-like, very, very shabby chic French country. And I think it's just beautiful. And again, the journal covers that this could make, just beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, so that is it. And these are in my journal shop. Go help yourself. And I hope that you really like these, and I hope that you'll want to go get you some. I like I said, I'm just sharing stuff that I haven't seen much of and wanted to share it with y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll talk again soon. Bye.